In this video, we will learn about adding a button to your website. To get started, click on the website icon on the left-hand side of your account dashboard to enter the website editor. From here, select the page within your website that you want to add this button to. Once you've selected that page, scroll down to the location where you'd like to add the button and click on the orange plus icon. Scroll through the block options until you get to the other blocks where there are two different button blocks available. Select the button block that you want to add, and on the left-hand side, you'll see the options related to that button. Under the link option, you can change the label, which will change the text that appears on the button. And to add a link to the button, use the link type option to link it to a specific gallery in your account, a page on your website, a URL on the internet, or you can link it to BookMe if you are subscribed to that add-on. Once you've completed making all the changes to your website, be sure to click on the Publish button in the top right-hand corner and select Publish Site. For more assistance, please contact our support team or visit our support center for more information.